This is the dog. He's a Chiweenie. He's a Chihuahua Dachshund mix. We took him to the vet. He weighs 8 pounds. Oh, he can't get to his ball. Where's Tanner going? Tanner is going to ride his motorcycle. Hi, Chewy. Hi, Chewy. You're funny. You're funny. He's red. So weird. Looks like a fox. Uh-oh. What's up? Is it the feet? You don't like the feet? Something wrong? Where are you going? No, that's not your house over there. Okay. Just telling him. Tanner. We could walk out and visit the chickens. Tanner's visiting the neighbors. I better go get him. Wait until he's out of sight. Oh, here it comes. Of his own will. Good job. Did you visit and come right back? Is there nobody over there? That's the dog. We're gonna go see the chickens next. Oh, he found something. He likes chasing leaves. I don't know what that says about his intelligence, but he likes doing it. Nope. Jump! 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 Yay! Careful. Oh, good job. We'll bring the dog with us. I'm hooked up. Hooked up. There's my hammocks. There's my tree. Come on, Chewy. Whoa. You jumping?